Hello children, good morning to all of you. We are studying percentage chapter. In the previous class we have seen that percentage means out of 100. We have seen that percentage can be converted into fraction, ratio and decimals, and we have solved some questions based on those. Now today we are going to solve these type of questions. See here, first question is express 56 paise as a percent of rupees 2.80. So see how you will solve. To convert 56 paise as a percent of rupees 2.80, 56 paise will be the numerator and rupees 2.80 will be the denominator. And to convert it into percentage, this fraction will be multiplied by 100%. Understood? We have to convert 56 paise as a percent of 2.80 rupees. Then 56 paise will be the numerator and 2.80 rupees will be the denominator, and this fraction will be multiplied by 100%. Now solve this one. 56 paise is the numerator, 56 paise here. Rupees 2.80, when we convert into paise, this 2.80 will be multiplied by 100 because 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. So 2.80 rupees will be equal to 2.80 into 100 paise into 100%. You can see that both the hundreds can cancel each other. Can you see this? Now, when 2.80 divides 56, when 2.80 divides 56, you will get 20. That means 20% will be your answer. See one more question. 45 centimeter as a percent of 3 meter. So what procedure I told you? Make 45 centimeter numerator and 3 meter denominator, and this fraction will be multiplied by 100%. Understood? Now 45 centimeter divided by 300 centimeter, because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, so 3 meter is equal to 300 centimeter, and this will be multiplied by 100%. You can see that both the units are cancelling each other. Now solve this one. 100 divides 300 by 3 times and 3 divides 45 by 15 times. So your answer is 15%. Is this clear? Now see. In this question you have to convert 630 gram as a percent of 3.5 kg. Method is same, unit is different, but method is same. 630 gram as a percent of 3.5 kg. So 630 will be the numerator and 3.5 kg will be the denominator, and it will be multiplied by 100%. Now solve this one. 630 gram upon 3.5 will be multiplied by 1000, because 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. So 3.5 kg will be equal to 3.5 into 1000 gram, and it will be multiplied by 100%. Now solve this. 100 dividing 1000, then 10 is the remainder, and 10 dividing 630 you will get 63. Understood? Now when this decimal is removed, we will increase 1 0 in the numerator. So you will get 630 upon 35%. Now reduce this number. You can see that both the numbers are divisible by 7. Because 7 divides 35, you get 5. 7 divides 63, so 7 into 9 is 63 and 7 0 0. When 5 divides 90, you will get 18. That means your answer is 18%. Is this clear? Now see this question. 18 hours as a percent of 2 days. Again, unit is different but method is same. What is the method? 18 hours upon 2 days, and this fraction will be multiplied by 100%. Now before solving, make the unit same. This is a compulsory process. In all the questions you have seen that you have changed the unit. You cannot solve hour and days together. 2 days means 24 hours into 2, because 1 day is equal to 24 hours, so 2 days is equal to 2 into 24 hours, and this will be multiplied by 100%. Now both the units will be cancelled each other and reduce these numbers. 2 dividing 18 by 9 times, 9 is also divisible by 3, 24 is also divisible by 3. Is this clear? 3 upon 8 into 100. 8 divided by 4 coming to 8 is divided by 4 coming to 4 dividing 100 by 25 times. So you are getting 25 into 3, 75 upon 2%. Now when 75 is divided by 2, you are getting 37.5%. Any doubt here? 18 hours upon 2 days into 100%. You have to solve it. 18 hours you have written here. 2 days means 2 into 24 hours into 100%. 2 dividing 18 getting 9. This 2 is dividing 18 getting 9. Then 9 is divided by 3 and 24 is divided by 3. Then you are getting 8 here. Now 3 into 25 is 75 and this 2 is here. 75 is divided by 2, then you are getting 37.5%. Okay? Now see these type of questions. What percent of 1.5 meter is 60 centimeter? See children, read the question carefully. Question is asking what percent of 1.5 meter. So see how you will solve. Suppose that x percent of 1.5 meter is 60 centimeter. So if you make the equation, you can write it x percent of 1.5 meter is equal to 60 centimeter. Are you watching it carefully? X percent of 1.5 meter is 60 centimeter means x percent of 1.5 meter equal to 60 centimeter. Now x percent means x upon 100, of means multiplied. Of means multiply. 1.5 meter means 1.5 into 100 centimeter. Because here is centimeter, so we are converting this meter also into centimeter. Okay. Now 100 and 100 are cancelling each other. This 1.5 is transferred right hand side. It will become 60 upon 1.5 and here x will remain. This is also centimeter, this is also centimeter, so both will be cancelled each other. And 1.5 divides 60, then you will get 40. Understood? That means your answer is 40%. That means 1.5 meter, 40% of 1.5 meter is 60 centimeter. Understood? See, the same question is here, only the unit will be different. What percent of rupees 6 is 40 paise? So how you will solve it? First you will write, let x percent of rupees 6 is 40 paise. That means x percent of rupees 6 is equal to 40 paise. Now solve it. X percent means x upon 100, of means multiplied. 6 rupees means 6 into 100 paise is equal to 40 paise. Now 100 and 100 are cancelling each other. Now this 6 will be transferred right hand side. That means x is equal to 40 by 6%. Okay, 6 dividing 40, it is not divisible. So 2 into 3 is 6, 2 into 20, that means x is equal to 6 into 2 by 3. That is your answer. Answer is 6 into 2 by 3%. Understood? Everybody? Now see some more questions. See here. What percent of a day is 10 hours? What percent of a day is 10 hours? Again the process is same. Let x percent of a day is 10 hours. Okay. So x percent means x upon 100. Of means multiplication. 1 day means 24 hours is equal to 10 hours. Are you watching the method? Now, if you transfer 100 and 24 both in the right hand side, then 100 is denominator, it will become the numerator. 24 is the numerator, it will become the denominator. Children, calculation process can be different in different questions. You have seen in the previous two questions, first I have reduced, then I have transferred. In this question, I am transferring, then after reducing. So you can follow any one. Okay, now solve. 4 dividing 24 by 6 times, 4 dividing 100 by 25 times. 2 dividing 6 by 3 times, 2 dividing 10 by 5 times. Now 25 into 5 is 125 by 3. Now reduce it. 3 into 4 is 12, 3 into 1 is 3. That means 41 into 2 by 3% will be your answer. What percent? 41 into 2 by 3%. Understood? Okay, now see this question. What percent of 7 into 1 by 3 meter is 5.5 meter? Again the question is same. Let x percent of 7 into 1 by 3 meter is 5.5 meter. Okay, so how will you solve it? X percent of 7 into 1 by 3 meter is equal to 5.5 meter. This is the equation. Now solve. X percent means x upon 100, of means multiply. 3 into 7, 21 plus 1, 22 by 3 meter is equal to 2, 5, 10 into 1, 11 by 2 meter. So what will be the value of x? 11 will be multiplied by 3 into 100, because 100 and 3 are denominators here, upon 2 into 22, because 2 is already here, 22 is numerator, so it will become denominator. And this is also meter, this is also meter, so both will cancel each other. Now reduce the numbers. 11 dividing 22 by 2 times, 2 dividing 100 by 50 times, 2 dividing 50 by 25 times. So 25 into 3, 75. That means your answer is 75%. Okay. Now see this one. Now see, this is the different type of questions. If 16% of a number is 60, then find the number. Are you watching? This question is different. Suppose the number be x. Okay, then your question is saying 16% of the number means 16% of x is 60 means equal to 60. Your equation is ready. Now solve and get your answer. 16% means 16 upon 100, of means multiplied, x equal to 60. So what will be the value of x? 60 will be multiplied by 100 upon 16, because 16 upon 100 will be transferred right hand side. So since it is multiplied by x, so 100 will become the numerator, 16 will become the denominator. Now solve and get your answer. 16 divided by 4 getting 4, 100 divided by 4 getting 25. 4 dividing 60 by 15 times. So 25 into 15 will be, see here, 15 into 5, 75, 7 carry on. 15 into 2, 30 plus 7, 375. That means x is equal to 375. Understood? Now see. If 13 into 1 by 3% of a number is 90, then find the number. Again the process is same. Let the number be x. Then according to the question, 13 into 1 by 3% of x is equal to 90. Now solve and get your answer. 3 into 13, 39 plus 1, 40 by 3. Percent means 1 upon 100 that we have seen in many questions, into x is equal to 90. Now transfer the number other side and get your answer. X is equal to 90 into 3 into 100 upon 40, because 3 and 100 both are the denominators. So when you transfer it will become the numerator. 40 is the numerator. When you transfer it other side it will become the denominator. Now solve. 0 to 0 cancel. 4 dividing 100 by 25 times. So x is equal to 9 into 3 into 25. So multiply this. 25 into 3, 75. 75 into 9, 675. Okay? Understood? 25 into 3, 75. 75 into 9, 75 into 9, 675. Okay? Now see the last question of the day today. There are 42 boys and 18 girls, children. How many boys are there? 42. How many girls are there? 18. And question is asking, what is the percentage of boys in the class? Means you have to find the percentage of boys. So first you will find the total student. What will be the total student? 42 plus 18 means 60. That means out of 60 there are 42 boys. Out of 60 there are 42 boys. So now you can find percentage of boys. How will you find? 42 boys out of 60. And to change it into percentage, it will be multiplied by 100%. Okay. Now solve and get your answer. 0 to 0 cancel. 6 dividing 42 by 7 times. 7 into 10, 70. That means there are 70% boys. Okay, children. So these are your questions for today. In the next class, we will see more questions. And again, I have given one assignment with this class. Must solve and send back it to me for correction. Okay? Bye-bye.